Hi and welcome to 2725 Dundas Row here in sunny Shawnigan Lake, just outside of Cobble Hill in Mill Bay. This beautiful home beside me is 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 2,000 square feet. What I love about this property is its incredible character with some of the original wood floors, some cool updating. There's been a new roof put on in 2010, ton of plumbing and electrical update done back in 2010 as well. So you've got a relatively modern home with a ton of character on the exterior. From this home, we can walk to the village of Shawnigan Lake. It's literally just a few steps from the bottom of the driveway. Easy walk to the lake, throw the towel over the shoulder, head down to the street for a swim and walk back and warm up next to the beautiful wood fire in this open living room. Large open kitchen. There's a detached workshop accessed from the exterior. Lots of available street parking in the area. This is a wonderful opportunity to get your family into Shawnigan Lake. This property would also make a great rental property with high rental demand in the area. This property is coming to market vacant, ready for quick occupancy. So if you're looking for a home in the Shawnigan Lake area, 2725 Dundas Road is an option you need to give some consideration to. To book a showing or to get a full information package, reach out to our team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.